Hello and welcome to the Okeechobee Libraries YouTube channel. I'm Sonia.
I'm Jessica.
And today we're going to be doing another spooky Halloween video. We are going to do the Cauldron Volcano craft, or it's also might be known as the Witch's Brew. It's just going to be a fun little craft that is a little bit of a science experiment that bubbles up. We're going to be using little cauldrons and little pumpkins, but you can pretty much use whatever you want. We're going to show you how to do that today, so we're going to go ahead and get started.
Alright, for this craft you will need vinegar, dish detergent, baking soda, and if you want color, some dye, water. You will also need something to put it in, a little cauldron or a pumpkin.
So you're probably going to want something to protect what surface you're working on. So we just have this plastic sandwich platter lid, but you can pretty much use anything, anything that you're not worried about getting stained, because we are using food dye in this.
Okay, so we are doing an experiment on how much water to use. So we're gonna pour a little bit into our cauldron. We're gonna do dish soap. So we're gonna experiment with that too. I'm just gonna pour a little in.
You just want enough that you're gonna get a lot of bubbles once the vinegar and the baking soda react. So the next liquid you're gonna add is the vinegar. So you're going to mix that with the dish detergent and the water.
Okay, so we're going to add green to our liquid mixture. That should be good. We're gonna add our baking soda into our pumpkin. That should do, yeah, that looks about right.
All right, so again, you can customize this as much as you want, but this is about a quarter cup of baking soda. We used a couple just a little bit, couple drops of water, about a tablespoon of dish detergent, and a quarter cup of vinegar. But you can experiment with this and make it as much as you want. All right, so now you're just gonna kind of mix or stir up your liquid. Okay.
Oh, that's a nice blue. Just joking, it's green.
And then you'll just pour it in, and it should react and start bubbling up. So the cool thing about this craft, again, is that you can kind of customize it however you want. So we did a green one, now we're going to try to make a purple one. In this one we have red food dye, dish detergent, water, and vinegar. And in this one we have blue food dye, dish detergent, water, and vinegar. So we're going to try to mix them with the baking soda to see if we get a purple potion or volcano. So we're just going to do that at the same time and see what happens.
Oh, it's purple and blue. It's like cotton candy.
And in this one we did add extra vinegar and water, so if you want more of an explosive reaction, you want more liquid. If you want one that's just kind of bubbles and does look like a cauldron, then you're going to want less liquid like the first one that we did.
Yeah.
All right, so again with this is a science experiment. You can do whatever you want with it. We're gonna try to do a rainbow one in a bigger cauldron and see how that works out. So we're gonna pour a green mixture, a blue mixture, a red mixture, and a yellow mixture and see what happens, like with most science experiments. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, wow. Look at it. Look at the different colors.
That looks really cool. I like it. All right, so that was it for our experimenting today. We hope you enjoyed this Witch's Brew Cauldron Volcano. We're definitely gonna have more experiments like these in the future, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you try this out, please take a picture and show us on Facebook. You can tag us. Our Facebook page is facebook.com/OKE Library. Please tag us. We wanna see if you guys try this at home. But we hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions for things we can do in the future, leave a comment or see our Facebook page. But we'll see you then. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.